5G and fiber optic technology expansion continues to increase the demand for modern infrastructure. These expansions are leading to efficiency, accuracy, and labor cost challenges in cable and wire identification throughout computer, datacom, and telecom industries. Brady labeling solutions provide clear and accurate labeling in computer, datacom, and telecom applications for reliable printing, wrapping, and flagging that reduce labor costs and errors in cable and wire identification. The Raptor A6200 wrap printer applicator is a compact and lightweight solution that provides a flexible work environment for contract manufacturing and logistics, distribution facilities, electronic components, and wires. The Raptor A6200 completes printing and wrapping in under 7 seconds with a print throughput of up to 1,000 labels per day at 300 dpi, eliminating costly and time-consuming hand labeling. The Raptor A6500 wrap printer applicator provides an automated system that combines the printing and application process into a single unit to expedite and simplify a wire and cable identification labeling process. The A6500 runs 14-gauge to 1-gauge wire and applies labels up to 2 inches in width and 3/4 to 3 inches in length. The A6500 offers customizable label creation and editing capability that can wrap bundles, wire, and square jackets. The A5500 fiber optic flag printer applicator with software automates the process of flagging small-diameter fiber optic cables safely within 5 seconds. With zero calibration or special setup, the A5500 applicator is built with a soft jaw design that won't dent, scratch, or damage fiber optic cable and applies flags without wrinkles, skew, or edge mismatch for a consistent label application that reduces rework and waste. Learn more at Heilind.com.